Hey everyone, we are back with our new group discussion video. Today I have Himanshu and Chaitanya with a debatable topic that which is better, EVM versus ballot paper. So let's start with Himanshu.
Thank you, ma'am. Peaceful greetings to both of you. So, I do favor that ballot paper is much better than EVM. Why is it so? My first point says that no chance of hacking. There is no algorithm or electronic wiring that can be tampered or with by individual or a group of expert with the favor of the result. My another point says that ballot paper used internationally. The transparency in the election is the constitutional right of the people, but efficiency is not constitutional protected of values. I just want to share some data and fact. If we talk about October 2006, the Netherlands banned the use of EVM. In 2009, the Supreme Court of Germany, by voting, they says that using EVM in election is unconstitutional. Similarly, in Ireland also it was banned. Adopting these countries' paper ballot, developed countries are also using, just like one of the best examples USA and England. In ballot paper, when we use them, at that time the votes of all booths are mixed together. So the candidate can't get any idea about the which booth are favored or not. But in EVM, they have fed they how they can get what, and they have the knowledge about it, so they can be misused by this because of cash for votes process also. So that's all about my points. If you have any question, then please ask.
Yeah, I want to ask you one question. In a ballot paper, don't you think it's just a wastage of paper?
Okay, in India we have lots of population and lots of elections are going on, but
Yeah.
it's not a big deal, because if we are using paper, then we can overcome this problem by using 3R rule. 3R rules indicates that reduce, reuse and recycle. So by this process, the wastage of paper problem can be overcome. That's it.
Okay, but sir, using of a ballot system, it takes a lots of time for counting.
Okay, in India, elections are held on some phases.
Yeah.
On national level, that is Lok Sabha, on state Vidhan Sabha, Nagar Nigam, that is municipality, and Panchayat level also. Yes, it take time, but it gives the surety, it gives the satisfaction and as well as the transparency. So I do think that transparency in election counting is better than if we delay it. Okay, that's it.
Okay, so I'm favoring EVM is the best. My first point is that electronic voting machine is used to count and cast the vote using electronic system. With the help of this method, a voter just have to press the button and the vote will be automatically registered in the machine. And EVM have numerous advantages like it generate faster result, it's accurate, it's more portable, and it reduce the role of people, and it also saving like papers. And my second point is that EVM are easier to transport as compared to ballot system because it's a lighter and more portable, and it comes with a polypropylene carrying cases. And in many places where illiteracy is an issue, and at that places any illiterate person can easily cast the vote. He and she won't find any difficulty in it.
Okay, have you completed?
Yeah,
So amazing points you have mentioned.
thank you.
But don't you think that EVM, according to the safety measures, it is
Okay.
not safe and secure?
Okay, let me elaborate you. In EVM, EVM is not connected with any network like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and after the introduction of VVPT, it became more secure, and there is a zero chances of tampering, and it also faster than ballot system.
But in your point, you have mentioned one point is that cost effective.
Okay,
Could you please elaborate by this your justification that how EVM is cost effective?
yeah, sure. Saving a lot of money in India isn't good.
isn't good, but it's according to the transparency factor, according to the satisfaction factor, the EVM is not better than ballot paper. What do you think?
Yeah, but sir, my answer is that AVM system, if we take like expenses on the transportation of a ballot system, it takes a lot of money. But if we transport EVM system, it's much cheaper than the ballot system.
Whole world, even we have seen that the many developed nations and other countries are banning the EVM. On
Yeah.
other side, we are using the EVM. So somewhere we don't have the surety about the security purpose also, and even we have many. We have seen in elections also the political parties are blaming. Even
Yeah.
the peoples are also confused about the EVM. What will you think?
Okay, they are just blaming. They don't have any proof.
Not proof. This is not a matter of proof, sir. This is
Yeah.
a matter of the satisfaction and transparency. Even they go. Just listen to me.
Yeah.
No one have the problem with the ballot paper. But everyone have the problem with the EVMs. Even sometimes the experts are not sure about the EVM machines. Even developed nation are also banning this. So don't you think that EVM has some drawbacks and limitations also?
Let me tell you one thing, we are living in a modern era and we should go with the technology, and it's a part of a technology. I don't think there is any problem in it.
What is the benefit of that technology which gives you, which doesn't give you satisfaction and doesn't give you the transparency? Okay, that's it.
Okay. I believe that discussion is endless, and I think that it was an argumental, and you guys also can practice in the same manner like they have, and you can also write your points in the comment section below and your feedback. We are waiting for your comments. Thank you. Subscribe our channel and press all the bell icon.